In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Now choose System Settings, select Keyboard and Input Method, Keyboard, and finally Theme. Over here you can scroll down and choose Show More. This way you will see all available ones. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you, manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and tap on Apply to save your keyboard. As you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes instead. Now select a photo that you wish to apply as the keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, select Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done, manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and finally select Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!